Welcome you to the University of Kelaniya, Sri Lanka. Today we would like to introduce our newly invented technology, cinnamon formulated dietary supplement. Diabetic is a metabolic syndrome which affects millions of people in worldwide. According to the estimation of the World Health Organization, 463 million people had diabetes in 2019, and it is predicted to reach 578 million by 2030 and 700 million by 2045. Therefore, given the increasing incidence of type 2 diabetes, there is still an urgent need to efficiently control diabetes mellitus. Even though there are many diabetic drugs are available, most of the diabetic drugs are associated with unpleasant, negative side effects and chemical interactions. Most of the drugs only focus on the blood sugar reduction, but they are not addressing to the composition of the drugs or supplements that can cause other nutritional benefits. Therefore, people have tendency to use plant-based natural remedies for diabetes and related health issues. This invention has been developed using Ceylon cinnamon. Ceylon cinnamon is an indigenous plant to Sri Lanka. Sri Lankan cinnamon has long-standing reputation in the international market because of its uniqueness, quality, color, flavor, and aroma. There are 8 cinnamon species in Sri Lanka. Among them, Cinnamomum selanicum bloom is grown commercially. Based on yield and quality performances, Sri Vijaya and Sri Gamuno have been identified as the best varieties. Ceylon cinnamon has possible impact on health. Mainly, it can lower blood sugar levels and it can be used to reduce heart disease risk factors. Moreover, cinnamon also lowers the risk of many other diseases like cancer, HIV, and tooth decay. As you see in these figures, the global cinnamon market is significantly growing high. The final product of this invention is powdered cinnamon that can be cooked at low temperatures, and it can be consumed as a capsule or a nutrient bar, or else it can be mixed with the breakfast dough. So the method and ingredients used in this invention are simple, cost-effective, and time-effective. So the product will be affordable and available for consumers in all ages, especially elderly population in local and international markets. And this could use as a diabetic preventive measure for young age people. Therefore, this invention could be exploited in the industry at large scale and considerable market size would be created. There are a lot of herbal species recorded used to treat diabetes. Cinnamon tea is a currently available alternate. But cinnamon tea doesn't provide the maximum bioactivity in the tea form. The extract also cannot be stored under room temperature for a long time. This dietary supplement can consume as a porridge, and this is good for short starvations. It contains only natural ingredients and flavors and chemicals are not added. This can be stored in room temperature almost for 1 year. For that, chemical preservatives are not required. As you can see in this slide, animal trials have been carried out to identify the reduction compared to the metformin group, also compared to the baseline data. An elevation of high-density lipoprotein level was observed in diabetic rats in metformin group and sample group, and there is no toxicity effect was observed. Human clinical trials also carried out to identify the percentage difference between the two groups. As you can see in this table, there is a significant difference between the sample treated with the supplement and the sample without the supplement. Laboratory trials, animal trials, human trials all have been conducted for this invention. An optimized process is ready to scale up. We have filed a local patent application at National Intellectual Property Office of Sri Lanka, and that patent application is at the final stage for granting. An invention evaluation was conducted by Clarivet Analytics in India to identify the international patent possibility and global market analysis. According to the generated invention search report by Clarivet Analytics of India, the overall invention evaluation was strong. Therefore, the Patent Cooperation Treaty application was filed for this invention. If you are interested in this product, please contact ublcell@kln.ac.lk. Thank you.